Here is a Hyundai Tucson. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door, and right over there is the primary hood release lever. Pull it, and in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Hyundai emblem, put your hand over there and then lift it up. Lift it like this, and that is where you're pressing on. Now lift up the hood, grab the prop rod over there, and then put it in that slot with the arrow marking it, and let it go. And now the hood is secure. Let's start with the passenger side. That's the bulb over there. The way to access it is just right there behind it. That's the bulb holder with the long handle. Just grab it and twist to the left. See, right now it's locked. Twist to the left. Now it's unlocked, and you should be able to get the entire bulb holder and the bulb out of the light housing. And out it comes. To get the bulb out, just push it down, twist to the left, and out it comes. There you go. The bulb size is 2357A. A is for the amber color. Check the link in description to buy the new bulb from Amazon for yourself. And let's go ahead and put it back in the bulb holder. And if you're not able to push it down, just wait, take it out, turn it around, and now you should be able to push it down. So push it down, twist your right, and you're done. Let's just put this back in the light, and you may have to do some twisting and turning before the bulb holder just drops in and sits in properly in the light. And that's important that you do it properly, otherwise the bulb will not work. See, when it sits in like this, at this point just twist your right a little bit to lock it, and you are done. Moving on to the driver's side, same process, just as accessible, no differences whatsoever. That is the bulb holder right there. Just grab it and twist to the left. It's loose and it comes right out. Same 2357A bulb. Let's just go ahead and put it back in. And again, this is the part when you're putting it back in, you may have to do some twisting and turning, so be patient. Make sure the bulb holder sits in properly, and then twist your right. Because if it's not sitting in properly, the electrical contact will not be completed and it will not work. Let's just go ahead and try this out. Turn the four-way flashes on. So the driver's side is working fine, and so is the passenger side, and that is good. To close the hood, first push on it, get load off the prop rod, get it out of that slot, put it back in its place and push it down, lower the hood, and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.